Hi guys, my name is Katie, or Kbdoesart, and today we're going to be texturing our cute little coffee cup. So go ahead and select both those objects and do Edit, Delete All by Type, and then delete our history. And then let's just grab this top object and let's go ahead and hold right click and assign a new material, click Shader, and then AI Standard Surface, and we're going to make this black. And then, go ahead and click on Arnold, click on the click on the sky dome light, and then you can click 7 to see how it's turning out. Okay, so next, let's go ahead and select the bottom half, hold right click, assign a new material, and do Shader, AI Standard Surface, but leave it as white. Next, we're gonna go into face mode and then hold Tab, and you're going to click one and just double click to select these rings. Same with these guys down here. All right, so now you should have all those guys. And then do assign new material, shader, standard surface. And then we're going to change this to be like that, like typical brown color. It's like cardboardish, you know. All right. Next, you can go ahead and click on Arnold and then render, and you can see how it's turning out. If you want to edit any of the colors, you can do that by clicking on these like AI Standard Surface and then literally just editing them here. And then also technically, if you wanted to add like a texture, click on the little like checkerboard next to color, and we could even make this like, maybe we could try like the granite texture, and then you can change the colors to be like only browns. And then you can also edit like cell size, so I would obviously make it like super small. And you can change like the density of them, so probably higher for cardboard. Mix ratio, I would have all the way up to spottiness. Yeah, we could like bring that up, sure. And then randomness, I'd have all the way up to. And then thresholds, I would keep pretty low because you don't want the dots to be like super noticeable, so I'd keep it low. That gives it like a little bit more texture to that little center part there. But yeah, completely optional, so that's kind of it for this, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, but I will see you guys next time for our next tutorial. Bye, guys!